Hello! Welcome to Salt and Light Canning. I'm Jessica, and today I'm not canning. It's the start of our garden season, which is the end of May, beginning of June. We have a really short season, so we're trying to get a lot of things in and done. But I just want to encourage you, even if you have a short growing season, that doesn't mean that you can't grow an amazing garden and have wonderful food for you and your family. So yesterday we got all of our plant starts in the ground, and I'll show you. Let me show you. So this is our garden this year. This is my small garden. Told you I don't have a lot of space. It's like 15 by 20 or so. So this year we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing crop sharing with some of our neighbors. So in my yard, I'm growing primarily squash, zucchini. I have a few watermelons going and some cucumbers, but we're doing crop sharing with a neighbor, and I'll show you their space. So come along with me and we'll go next door. So over here we have tomatoes and beans and corn and other crops that I didn't have space for in my garden. So because of our short growing season, I don't do anything from seed that has more than a 60-day window to maturity. We did purchase most of our plants this year. That's not the plan for next year. But here I have some other seeds getting ready to go. And truthfully, even if we don't reap a huge harvest from them, I'm growing them to have more seed to plant next year. So I have some cabbages and some squash going here. And then in these bags, I have carrots and beets started on this side. And if you come with me over here, in these bags, we have potatoes, and we just started those from organic potatoes that we bought at the store. So, you know, if you have potatoes starting to sprout in your pantry, you know, put them in the ground, make more potatoes. And then over here, we have some more carrots and beets started. Anyway, I just wanted to encourage you, think a little outside the box this year. Don't be dependent on somebody else, you know. Bring your community together. Whatever you're not growing, see if somebody else is. Make a plan together, and what you're good at planting, what you're good at producing, then you grow that, and they can grow what they're good at producing or what they have space for, and then just share in the work, and then share in the harvest, and share in the preserving. And who knows, maybe building a garden is what it's going to take to bring your community together and to show each other some love and compassion. But don't be afraid, and don't let yourself be limited by your space. So what if all you can grow is a couple things in planter boxes by your window? Maybe all you have is an apartment. I just want to encourage you, you don't have to be stuck in thinking that you have to produce everything yourself. Who knows, maybe what you're doing is what's going to bring the community together. And it can be just as simple as planting a garden. Right now, we really need to come together. Learn how to preserve your own food. Learn how to grow your own food. Even if all you're doing is a planter box in your window, because that's all the space that you have. See what you can do to help be more self-sufficient. Be so blessed. Know that you're loved, and be a blessing to someone else. We'll see you in the next video.